Hello, Happy New Year. You'll notice things look a little different. I've been working on trying to get this to be a nice environment that I can comfortably work in, and hopefully you can as well. You'll notice that the editor is no longer at the top, it's mounted at the bottom, and you can move it up and down. There is a bar up here that does nothing, and an import button that also does nothing, but will in the future. You'll notice that there's some tabs you can hover over, and they also do nothing. And the idea is that once you click on them, you'll be able to edit certain sections of the site real time. So you can see, what your interests look like, who would like to meet, everything. So just to make it as easy as possible. And of course, I'd like to have some user snippets. But what is really nice about this that I do have working is that it's an IDE and style environment. So there is some code completion now. So if we try and target the body, you can say background. Okay, so we notice now that there are some suggestions that pop up, and these make it really nice to make it so you're kind of on the right track. Otherwise, and you don't have to keep a separate page open. And it just, I don't know, for me, it just makes things easier. So you can either click and get the full value right here, or you can go down and hit tab, and it will also do the just place it down there. And you can also get the values of the properties to pop up. And right now we can do transparent, and it doesn't do a whole lot, but you can see that it has changed. But what I mainly want to talk about is that valid things that are still valid you can enter, and they may not come up. So don't, if you're typing something and you think it doesn't come up, it may not necessarily be wrong. It's just it doesn't autocomplete everything. So the colors, as we've discussed before, are all valid, but you may not get the suggestion for everything. It's a help, not a full replacement for your knowledge. The other really cool thing is that this will now save automatically. As long as you don't delete, your history or anything like that, it'll save automatically. So if I refresh the page, you still get this. You add a bunch of, text here, and when you go back, it's still saved, and it will do this automatically. And now this may not be completely ideal because you may want to make changes and not have it save, but that's just where we're at right now. That's it for the update. If you have any suggestions for features that you'd like in here that I haven't suggested or talked about, or there's things that you don't think something should be implemented in a certain way, please let me know in the comments. Thanks, and I will see you in the next video.